Exceptional value for this Cypress model single-family home with bundled golf membership. This popular floor plan offers 2 BRs plus den and 2 Bs and has the largest screen lanai of any home in the community. Enjoy the tranquility and privacy from your lanai with a wooded preserve behind your nicely landscaping backyard. Newer items include the fridge, dishwasher, water heater and epoxy garage floor. Electric storm shutters on the lanai with accordion shutters on the windows. Upgraded tile floors in the main living areas with carpet in BRs and den. Colonial Country Club offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, fitness, community pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This community is highly desired for its high-quality amenities, moderate fees and convenient location. Pride of ownership really shines through with this home, move-in ready.